have, my husband and I have legal custody of 2 children, one 3 months and one 13 months. And they are no relation to us, but we have a court hearing for custody hearing set up for June here in Tuscaloosa.
Okay.
My question is, in the petition for the custody, legal custody, the parents were to pay child support beginning May 1st. Is that, I know that, you know, he's not working because he's in jail and she's not working because she's just not. Is that something that to be brought up possibly at the hearing? We're not in it to make money, but we feel like, you know, it was done because it was responsibility for them since we're taking care of these children.
Okay, great.
Okay, awesome question. And your question kind of parallels with Lisa's question just a little bit. And to go back just a tad, Lisa, if you're not interested in actually adopting a child, you can do as this woman has done, which is just file a basic petition for custody, but it does not make that child legally your child. It just gives you the right to get child care, get the child in school and things of that nature. But you've had them 10 years, I'm assuming you're wanting to adopt. Now, in regards to your question, ma'am, far as a child support order that's inside a legal custody, I'm assuming you're talking about a dependency case. And typically those are cases where I'm not really related, or I'm not the mother or the father of the child, but this child either does not have a legal custodian, has been abandoned, or has been neglected or abused in some kind of way. So that child, you are asking for custody of that child. So that sounds like what you have. And child support is typically ordered in those kind of cases. Some courts require you to file a separate petition, but in your case, it sounds like it was ordered. Now, because they are incarcerated, one of the key elements with child support, one of the biggest defenses, is ability to pay. If a parent is incarcerated, it can be argued. It doesn't mean that you don't have an order saying that they're not supposed to pay child support, but it can be argued in defense that they don't have the ability to pay because if they're ordered to pay $300 or $500 and they're locked up, and clearly there's an ability to pay issue on that. So my recommendation would be to contact a lawyer regarding that situation. You may want to wait until they're actually released, so that way you can come in and make a good faith argument that, hey, they've been out, they're working and doing this and that, and so that way you can kind of preempt that.
Well, she mentioned the mom, though, apparently was not working. The father was incarcerated, the mom not, so can't she go after the mom?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
The fact that a person is not employed, the law presumes that unless you're disabled, and we just talked about disability, so even if you're disabled, they say that's income. So mom sounds like she's voluntarily underemployed or unemployed. So you need to file a Rule 9 against her, asking that she be held in contempt, because mom can go get a job.
All right, Nikita, thank you very much.